Yeah. So only 30 students, but still we are running out of time. So that let us start the session. Let me share the screen. Record this. Okay. So today you have two tasks. Okay, right? Is my voice audible? Can you please confirm that first? Is my voice audible? Did you prepare well? Yes? Right, very good. So, today, what question you have? You will be having a time of, uh, suppose I start your exam at 3:15 after 5 minutes. Okay, from 3:15 to 3:45. That is for two questions, 15 and 15 minutes. That is 30 minutes you will be given. Okay, you just think and do that properly. Okay, understood? By 3:45, that exam will be closed. Is that fine? Let me explain the question first. Okay. See, this is what the first question you have to solve. What is that? Is the question is, just a second. Let me. Okay. Is that fine? The first question is you need to balance the parentheses. You need to balance the parentheses. I hope you might have done many times in the C or maybe C++ to balance the parentheses. Yes or no? Yes. Now what you are doing is, now what you have to do is using stack collection. No, you did not do the balancing parentheses. Obviously you might have done in C. Okay, let me explain the question. Let me explain the question. Don't worry, it's not that much big, that much difficult question. Let me explain first and then you just tell me. Okay, see, this is the input you need to take. Okay, this is the input. What input you are giving? This complete thing is a string. This complete thing is a string. Okay, so until unless you are getting this open parenthesis and open bracket, you need to push into the stack. You know stack collection, no? Suppose stack s is equal to new stack of, yes or no? And take that generic as character. Take the generic as character. Okay, you need to create a stack create చేయడం వస్తుంది కదమ్మా. Okay, so until unless, as you need to what you need to do is you have to traverse this entire string. ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ మొత్తాన్ని మీరు ట్రావెల్స్ చేయాలి. ఇదంతా స్ట్రింగ్ అని చెప్పాను కదా. ఎలా ట్రావెల్స్ చేస్తారు? స్ట్రింగ్ లో ఎలా ట్రావెల్స్ చేయొచ్చు? ఇండెక్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఫ్రమ్ జీరో టు ది లాస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్. వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు ట్రై ఇస్ ఈచ్ ఇండెక్స్ character of 0. Suppose if the character of 0 is this open bracket, then you need to push that bracket into this stack. Again, second one, if the character of 1, that is in the for loop only, this entire thing will done in the for loop only. Character of I, sorry, 1 is the open bracket, then you need to push that into the stack. Okay. So third one, character of 2. Okay, 0 1 2. Character of 2 is, it's not an open bracket. Yes or no? It's a closed one. So what you need to have, you need to come to the else part and you need to check. Ela check chali, you need to check whether the stack is empty or not, because నా ఇన్పుట్ స్ట్రింగ్ లో ఇదే ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో ఎల్స్ పార్ట్ లో వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు చెక్ ఈస్ whether it is stack empty or not, and if the character is closed bracket, and also stack dot peak is this. Listen carefully. మీరు ఏ క్యారెక్టర్ అయితే పుష్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ ఆల్రెడీ బ్రాకెట్ ఉంది. and it is equal to stack.peak. Stack.peak అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది? ఇప్పుడు దాకా స్టాక్ లో ఏముంది? ఎపిక్ పెన్. లెట్ మీ టేక్ ది ఎపిక్ పెన్. ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్ ఉంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Just a second. This is the stack. Okay, this is the stack. Initially what I have pushed, I just pushed this, and next it is also open bracket, so that I just pushed bracket also. Okay, and next time what I'm having, next time this is a closed bracket. As this is a closed bracket, what I'll do is I'll just check whether this bracket and this, okay, this closed bracket and this stack dot peak is equal to this. Then what I'll do, I'll just pop it off. నేను పుష్ చేయబోయేది ఇది, కానీ దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్లోజ్డ్ బ్రాకెట్. సో ఈ రెండు కనుక ఉంటే అండ్, ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ద క్యారెక్టర్ ఈస్ క్లోజ్డ్ బ్రాకెట్ అండ్ స్టాక్ డాట్ పీక్ ఈస్ ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్, దెన్ ఐల్ పాప్ ఇట్ ఆఫ్, st డాట్ పాప్. సో ఏముంటుంది నాకు ఇంకా స్టాక్ లో ఇంకేముంటుంది? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఇది ఒక్కటే ఉంటుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఓన్లీ కర్లీ బ్రేసెస్ ఒక్కటే, ఓపెన్ కర్లీ బ్రేసెస్ ఒక్కటే ఉంటుంది. దెన్ అగైన్ ఐల్ చెక్ ఇంకా ఐల్ కండిషన్ దట్ కండిషన్, ఐల్ చెక్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ది బ్రాకెట్స్, this one and this one also. Okay, so this open bracket, if the stack again, if the now my character is, next time my character is open bracket, open curly braces. So if that is the case, what I'll do is again I'll check if the character is open bracket, if the character is open closed bracket and the stack dot peak is closed bracket, then again I'll pop, okay, understood? Then what is there in the stack right now? What is there in the stack? Nothing, no? Guys, are you able to listen my voice? Listen, Anil. What if the case, if you are telling the case, if that is the case, what we are getting is, this is what, there are no balancing parentheses, so you need to print no. Okay, you need to print no. Okay, understood? What you have given, this is unbalanced parentheses, so you need to print no. Understood or not? Yes. So in the for loop you need to iterate all your characters. Okay, for loop lo ee characters, string characters mottam iterate cheyali. If the character is open brackets, whether it is the curly braces or the bracket, the open bracket, then you need to push that to the stack, or else what you need to check is if the string is empty and also character is closed bracket and stack dot peak is that proper, that one, which one? Closed bracket, or and also or you need to give or conditions in between these two brackets. All the brackets you need to match. Okay, understood no? So and if the stack is empty, you need to print this. If the stack is empty, you need to print this. Else part, what you need to check, did you understand? In the else part, what you need to check, whether the stack is empty and the whatever the element next you are pushing to the element, that bracket, closed bracket, and the peak element of your stack, if they are and you need to give and in between, or and also these braces also you need to mention, all these braces you need to mention. Okay, understood? Then you need to pop st.pop. If the stack is empty, you need to print yes or otherwise no. Guys, understood? Think it off, think properly. Okay, just only you need to use push and pop methods. Understood now? Only you need to use push and pop methods. right? Next one. Next question. See, write a Java program to take input string and a number from the user. Okay, you need to take the string and also the number from the user. Okay, what you need to do is you need to print the specified output shown below. That number of occurrences of the characters in a given string is equal or greater than the given number. That is, the given number is 3. In the input string, a is how many times we have? How many times we have? 3 times. Number 1, you need to count that. That is, the character occurrences are equal to or greater than 3, then you need to take that into count. Okay, count number 1. And B is not less than 3, C is also less than 3, and D 4 times. So you need to take that as second character now. 2. Okay, count is 2. And then F is for 3 times. So you have to take that into account now. That is 3. So among this input, all this input, only 3 characters are greater than or equal to the specified number. So you need to print the output is 3. Understood, everybody? Guys, understood or not? For this you can use any hash map or hash table. You can use any hash map or hash table so that you can take this as key, this A as a key, and the count as a value. Okay, A as the key, count as the value. Okay, understood what I am telling you? So you can use the functions methods as in the hash table. You can use contains key, get method, and also replace method. Contains key method will check whether the key is already there or not, and get method will give you the value of your key, and by retrieving that value, that count, you can update that count with the required number. Do that. Key as the character, value as the count. Is that fine? Guys, what happened? Only Anil is replying. What about others, guys? What about others? Did you understand the question first? Yes? Okay, fine. Right. Very good. So please do try these programs on your own. Don't copy, don't ask anyone. Stable. And the methods are contains key, get method, and replace method. You just explore. Java p, java dot util dot hash table. The methods which are all required, you just pick it up. Okay, understood? Just do some drawing, do some paperwork, then only you can keep that program. Okay, you can do the program. Okay, hope you understood the 2 programs. Okay, shall I start the task?